nabilbilag, titib kerti takdermu, anya pa'y tinalamlamin, kastipul uy ti angin ay, sing toksik laylay daksik ay, Cordillera, salak mi banka. Alasaas iti karayan, anin iti tangatang, bilbilit makaay-ayo, karasakas ti alino ay, sin toksik laylay daksik ay, Cordillera, salak mi banka. Balitok asumilsilak, kay kayo nakataytayag, pay payo nga inagdan, na pagkas akarayan ay, sing toksik laylay daksik ay, Cordillera, salak mi banka. Sa dagiti anak mo, kaskipat amang bilbilay, kadagiti kabusor, mangsakmal kinabak ng mo ay, sin toksik laylay daksik ay, Cordillera, salak mi banka. Bantay ti kinabak ng banwar akaigorotan, naturad dagiti anak mo, kas katib kerti bantay mo ay, sin toksik laylay daksik ay, Cordillera, salak mi banka. Dongdong ay sidong ilay, insinali dumaay. Dongdong ay sidong ilay, insinali dumaay ay, sin toksik laylay daksik ay, Cordillera, salak mi banka.
Check out. Tuck this in the back.
It's the official logo of Radio Sagada. So this is a fertility symbol. It's colored gold. And these lines, the diagonal and straight ones, were lines that you can see in the traditional costume, in the tapis, the wrap around. So an artist who came to Sagada and stayed and volunteered to do that, based this concept from what she observed about us and our culture. So as you see, the lines tend to radiate. There is something internal and there is something out. This is to symbolize the broadcast. It's we are projecting, and this one is about the community. So it's the inside and the outside. Radio Sagada is a radio to serve as a forum and entertainment for the various communities of Mountain Province, and also especially Sagada. So one of the forum is about developmental concerns and programs. So here we have the School on Air, and we just finished the school on air on sugarcane. It's about enhancing the production of sugarcane, especially muscovado, the non-refined sugar, which to some it's a healthier choice for than the refined sugar. So here there are farmers who are enrolled on the air, and they take 3 times a week classes on the air. Radio Sagada provides the channel for this. It's this school on air was organized by the Department of Agriculture. Earlier, we had the school on air on coffee production. This is another program designed for farmers who have chosen to have coffee for their production. So that was the earlier school on air. Radio Sagada, as we said, is also for entertainment. And we promote local musicians. So local music albums like this one and another one. So through this, we develop our own most requested song. We don't follow the top 40s of the US or the top 40s of Manila. We have our own top songs as requested by members of the community, and usually they choose the locally made songs. Some would volunteer to bring their album here. At times also we go out and collect their music albums. And so we were able to develop our own music library. Oh yes, and they collect, they download also.
Oh, okay.
And also some of our neighbors, they would also contribute what they have. And also from the listeners, they would request some, and then if we don't have, then we'll go out and look for that song. It's an album called Kutungtung di Gitara. So it's a music album that with the rendition of the guitar, and then most songs here, the lyrics are made by the singer, but some of the songs some of the melody are adapted from Western country folk songs. And so we have here a poster of promoting our rights as indigenous peoples, our right to land, our right to culture, our right to the environment. And also part of that, of our information is about the environment, as I have said. And so we also promote activities like the first Cordillera Pine Tree Festival. This one promotes the benefits, the cultural, the economic benefits that we get from pine tree, which is the most popular tree in Mountain Province as well as in most parts of the Cordillera region.
Ano ka na, Nick?
Di magbabago.
Also, we have programs on environment, and on environment and climate change. So we give developments or issues on the environment. For example, mining, big mining projects, which generates much issues as far as the community is concerned because of the destruction to the environment. Also, part of our environment program is about solid waste management, especially for Sagada as a tourist center. Many hotels and because of the many guests that we get, there's more products that are used, and therefore along with that are waste. And we are, as the years go by, there's more waste. So waste management is one concern. We had that program on solid waste management so that the people, we inform the people on how to manage the waste, and the listeners also to give their idea on how we deal with this solid waste management.
Iti Friday, so welcome na iti programa tayo nga folk rock and country music with your friend on air, Modra Belen, syempre. So, kanayo kayo nga ag-tune in dito radyo yo. Tag-enjoy kayo nga agdungag kadag iti music ka iti folk rock and country nga apang ko ipaay kada kayo kat iti daytoy nga oras playlist dagiti maipakan kanta. So just keep tuning in and enjoy listening to our folk rock and country music. So para kadagiti bisita, dagiti guest nga imay niki fiesta dito sa Sagada, enjoy your stay and enjoy nga agbuya kadagiti activities nga madama nga mararami dito. Ayan tayo nga Sagada. Happy holiday everyone. So ada tigorti Scorpions iti kantada nga holiday para kada kayo amin. Like a long lost friend. Yes, hey, it's good to be back home again. Yes, it is. I like the old times favorites.
Yeah, okay. I don't know what they're singing these days.
Yeah.
So the request will come to this, and you will start looking in alphabetical order. Yeah? Sing, manang sing the song.
I love music, but music doesn't love me, so I don't have a good voice. My friend invited me for the training for this Radio Sagada. I was interested to join the training, so there I joined the training. Then the trainer asked for some volunteers to coordinate to the community so we can start the radio. So we applied as volunteers, as coordinators. So there we started our work coordinating to the community people around Sagada.
Ugai Dek Miss Fisi pa yan, no sini pa.
So after I finished high school, I go to Baguio City to study college. Actually, I enrolled in engineering, civil engineering, but I failed from one of my major subjects, so I shift to mass communication. So there, I gladly finished that 3-year course because it's TRISEM in University of the Cordilleras in Baguio City. And then after my studies, I volunteer on RPN 9. It's an AM station, AM radio station in Baguio City, located at the Station Road. And then after that, I worked in Adesti. It's a clothing line. Then 1 year there, and then I came back here, and then I worked here at the radio. I volunteer first, actually. Oh, my favorite thing here in Radio Sagada, actually everything, because as a community radio, it varies from commercial radio and government radio. And I love the people here because the way they feedback, we learned also from them. So there's always a room for improvement, so we appreciate their comments. Oh, my working here in Radio Sagad, it's great, but sometimes it's a little bit, you know, because of the hard work, we feel sometimes, yes, stress.
Susan, what are you doing this morning?
This morning I am DJing, of course, and then I'm going to prepare my news, but there is no internet for my international and national news. Still waiting.
We can't tell if America has started legalizing marijuana across the state.
When you need friends to rely on your voice.
Oh, Iboy Festival.
You shoulder to cry on the air.
Danka.
Right, kot naimbag nga daw kun pangal daw para karigiti amin nga listeners sayo dito 104.7 FM Radyo Sagada. So, happy Utag Festival, happy lunch matlaeng para amin karigiti mangmangan itang oras. Siya nga rin man ni Simpay Mangidanon iti damdamag ita nga aldawa. Dahito nga rin ti Midday News.
We give voice to the voiceless. Radio Sagada gives voice from the far-flung areas. We give them the information that they need. Actually, farmers and gardeners are our major listeners here in the Cordillera.
Iti damdamag, iti regular nga thrice a day, mamintalo nga news program tayo, kanda duma-duma pa nga programa. Ita nga taon nga 2014, kaya tayo nga ipakamo, kada iti listeners tayo nga damat ti sumagmamano nga baro nga programa nga iparugbat tayo. Kastamot iti duma pa nga programa nga akas iti radio drama nga ipaay ti National Nutrition Council tayo. Dagita aputin tay antabayananan kadagiti way nga aldaw ditoy 104.7 FM.
Nga regional news, idanon kada tayo iti Northeast on Air, Northern Dispatch on Air Weekly. Para naman sa ulon ng Balitang National, Davao City, dating Davao City Rodrigo Duterte nagsalita tungkol sa rice smuggling. At Hong Kong, hindi sasakyan ng palasyo sa visa issue.
I am Bernard Maculay, a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, and I am one of the staff of Radyo Sagada. I DJ also a lot of music programs like Love is on the Air, Request and Dedication, and of course public service announcements.
Okay, it's February 3, manumanan nga aldaw, it's Valentine's Day, aldaw manan ti panagaayat, but I believe nga ti panagaayat kat every day. Anyway, Valentine's every day, and advance Happy Valentine's Day, kunamat niya 5779. Ayan, advance Happy Valentine's Day, God bless you and your family. With love, peace, health, wealth, and all heavenly graces. Have a blessed 2014. Likewise, 779. And I'm willing to take my chance.
Damdamag Radyo Sagada.
Naragsak na sa lunat nga rabi tayo amin Cordillera, karaman ti Cervantes kan Quirino, Ilocos Sur. Para iti headlines sa iti damdamag regional kan lokal. Grupo iti human rights nagkomentar nga haan nga umanay ti death penalty para iti seguridad dagiti Filipino.
I am the organizer of Miss Sagada, and actually, it is very different from other beauty pageants. It is simple because we don't have money, because we don't have quality music. I mean quality light effects, quality sound system. So we do out of nothing. Yes, and in here we have to promote to the young people, especially by using the candidates on the proper wearing of our costumes, of our cultural ethnic wears. yes, the proper wearing of our traditional ethnic wears. And of course, they have to know through the question and answer portion what is the importance of their culture and the effect of preserving the culture to them.
We have several programs that focuses on culture. It's done by volunteers as well as radio staff. This is part of promoting our own culture, our own identity. It's also part of sharing issues on culture, like how beautiful traditions and traditional values are getting lost, and how elders would like to reach out to the young generation because of the decreasing appreciation of this beautiful tradition that we have. But at times there are also difficulties involving the elders. You know, they usually hesitate to come to the station. So most of these are done through interviews and data gathering.
Malabipay nan batawa, dak maisukat si ut-utot ay mangmangwani en kipiit malul uwad kay sibig kipaas malul uwad kay aas kipao malul uwad kay pao naiwadat kanunan sibig yapaw at kanag-agay kalugama mawagkat pay kasin dak umay dapal amakan paliking dandapay amaw ito pay kakanto na lugaman takad sa sanggun si mas dunu sinunan ng buhasi na.
Yeah, I like that. Masapol ay maming pinsan kami ng gulot.
Radyo Sagada 104.7 FM. Mun kasing taku amin ay mun ibingay iskanta liwliwa yadamag. Dak kayo nandiag di Radyo Sagada.
Dong dong ay si dong.